First, public schools are allowed to censor all materials in the school. They could have, all these articles, yes, all of them, they were interrupting the boyfriend's privacy and the parents' privacy. They said that they even said that the principal did have the final say in these articles. They have an opinion that they say that they shouldn't. That's an opinion. This is not what we're arguing about. We are arguing about who has the final say, and they said Principal Reynolds had the final say. They even said it, and we say it. And he had control over all materials that he felt were inappropriate.
And they were mistaken in Principal Reynolds said if it disrupted the classroom, that's the only way it would be banned or be censored. That is not true. That's completely false. At the beginning of the school year, before the school even started, it was stated directly by consensus of the school board, the principal and vice principal and superintendent of it. 1, not to restrict free expression or diverse viewpoints within the rules of responsible journalism, which is part of the curriculum which was taught in the class.
Were those the specific that set up towards the journalism class?
Yes,
responsible journalism was taught in the class. They were supposed to follow the curriculum in writing the newspaper.
Were those the other attorneys told us that they were specific rules for the journalism class?
These are the specific rules. Yes, these are specific rules that they failed to mention. And 2, the paper was to be developed within the adopted curriculum. The curriculum was responsible journalism, which was taught by the teacher. And the teacher had authority over what was responsible journalism and taught the whole class. And it was a paper written to teach them how to write.
And shouldn't the teacher
within those
be
rules.
the one to censor, not the principal?
He agreed with the principal. He in consensus with the principal and the Board of Education.
It was stated here, when the matter was taken to the Board of Education, the original funding for the spectrum, a vote revealed agreement that Principal
Reynolds was correct. That they agreed with Reynolds.
Yes.
Conclusion came that the teacher had complete authority over the class. So if
The class, yes. But after he had his opinion, it went to the principal. Also, they said that the newspaper was run by the state. They said the school is run by the state. That is also false. The newspaper is run by the people, the public. A public school is run by the people. That's what it is.
Isn't it true that the teacher did want the article printed in the paper?
No, that's false. He agreed completely with Principal Reynolds and the school board.
That's why he brought it to the
why
principal in the first place.
he use his authority in the first place?
He did. That's why he brought it to the
Principal
principal.
Reynolds had the final say, even if he didn't want it. Even if he did want it. Principal Reynolds would still have the authority and power to take it out. He has the final say, and they even said.
So did the Board of Education say that the journalism teacher had the final say? Is that what?
No, the principal has the final say. They said that.
Are you
too.
saying that schools aren't funded by the state?
They're funded by.
They're funded by the people.
Where do taxes go? Taxes go to the
People
school.
are
Where do
No, I'm
taxes
saying
go?
no money comes to the state.
Well, if you're saying no money, if money comes from the state,
Why do they
it
pay
has to
taxes?
be
Why do
followed
people in the community
the
pay
14th
taxes?
Amendment.
Respond, Steve?
Well, first of all, they said that the teacher had complete authority over what was considered responsible journalism, but he in fact didn't delete it. He didn't want to delete the articles. He sent it to the principal because the principal had to have a review of the newspaper articles.
Do you have any facts supporting that the teacher had complete authority?
They said, I'm just repeating what they said, the teacher had complete authority over their responsible journalism within the class. Confusion here. Which is actually true? Did the teacher want the article printed in the paper or not?
You didn't
We need
delete
to
them.
clear
The principal deleted them.
Their main argument was who had the right to delete the articles, but that's not what it's about. It's about if the principal violated the constitutional rights when he deleted the article.
were no derogatory remarks in the articles. I read two quotes. One about her father, that her father had said. And they also used their case Tinker Day Moines to back up their case. That was a form of expression of action and stuff.
Well, this
It's
is
This is a verbal written. There's a difference between like burning the flag. Can you compare burning the flag and writing?
said that freedom of action is freedom of speech.
how can
Freedom of speech and freedom of written are the same thing. Freedom of action.
both cases, Tinker v. Des Moines and Clowood versus Kinlaird, deal with the First Amendment, and in the other precedents, they have that the students of schools do not shed their constitutional rights to freedom of speech or expression at the schoolhouse gate. Expression could be used in different forms, such as a school newspaper, and this precedent is, it holds up its truth.
The opposing attorneys, they stated that the teacher had the authority to speak. Even if the teacher didn't want the article, or if he did want the article in there, or if he didn't, it doesn't matter, okay? It goes to the principal after his opinion. The principal has complete authority.
You said,
If the teacher wanted it in there and the principal didn't, it would come out. It would come out.
but it wasn't,
A
didn't
consensus
final
of-
say have to do with the principal?
Yes.
Whether
Yes.
the
A
principal
consensus
final
of
say.
the,
They
of
said
the
it in their-
board.
The Board of
report.
Education gave complete authority to the teacher of the journal of the student.
No.
And in a quote that which we read, the teacher did not agree with the article. And that's the truth.
Oyez, oyez, oyez. The Supreme Judicial Court of the United States of America is now out of session. The justices